Yeah, Judy, Mummy too.
Hey, Justice. Who's that? Who's that over there?
Justice. He cuddle and kiss his mama. Hello.
Was that Baba?
For you. For you. For Justice and Mama and Dada.
Baba. Baba.
Yeah. You want to come sit?
Baba.
Yeah. Come sit. Sit.
Baba.
Yeah. Here. Sit. Mama will bring Baba to you. Cuddles?
Gentle.
Gentle.
Baba.
Baba's sleeping.
Baba.
Yeah. Oh. Here, let you sit. Mama go grab Baba for you.
Baba.
Yeah.
Touch.
Yeah, touch. Okay, you sit. Mama will grab Baba. Yeah, you sit. Okay. Baba's sleeping.
Hop in the bed. Baba.
Where's the Baba?
Look.
Can you give Baba a kiss? Baba kiss. Very gentle. Come on, give Baba a kiss. Jesus.
Baba.
Careful, you're gonna wake Baba up.
Come on, Baba. Baba kiss. Kiss Baba.
Baba.
Kiss Baba. Baba Gemma.
Little cold. Hey.
Baba.
Yeah, hands. Touch your hand. That's okay. That's enough. That's Mama's hands. See?
My bed.
That's Baba's bed. Hey? And Gemma says, hello, Justice. Hello, Baba. Gentle, yeah.
Give Baba a kiss.
Oh,
Oh, Baba burp.
Amniotic fluid.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Clean.
Mess. Justice?
Mama.
Baba make a mess.
Burp. That's okay. There we go.
Short. Pick.
She's a little short, just a little short. There. Okay.
Bit.
You want to see? Here.
I'm gentle.
See? Look at her little feet. Is Baba nappy? Baba nappy. Look at toes. Look at your toes. What's toes?
Baba.
Give Baba a kiss.
Baba.
Cuddle kiss. Yeah.
Oh.
That's okay. Baba's sleeping.
Baba.
You gentle with Baba.
Yeah, you should sit, please.
You sit.
Baba.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you can lie down.
Apple.
You hungry?
Apple. Green.
Have a drink. Yeah. You can have apple drink. And a bicky too if you want. Careful, you're gonna fall. Okay.
Baby.
Yeah, okay. Come back and sit. Come back, sit.